So for studying links, first of all, I have to create some pages, right? Inside the classes, morning from S, a new folder here. Today is 18, there is 04, there is 2012. Notepad. The same structure you have to follow. HTML text started, HTML text close, right? Title text started, close title text. Here I'm writing my first page. Body text started and close body text. Now in between the body I am starting H1. Align is equal to center, close H1. Check the body color is what I am writing here. Body BG color is equal to, for example, sky blue. And here in between H1 start and H1 close I am writing welcome to page 1. File, save. Where to save? For the desktop, here I am having a folder by the name of classes, morning S 18, and you can save it by any name, okay? Any name.html. But for example, this is, I'm writing here first page.html. First page.html, this is the first name, right? Check its output. Classes, morning, from S 18 for 2012 and first.html. Double click, and here's the output. Up here, clear? What's the meaning of save as? What's the meaning of save as? Save as. Okay. So this one page, in this one page, I'm clicking on file and click on save as, right? Yeah. Here the name is first. I'm just writing to ND. No space. Okay. You are not supposed to apply spaces in between file name, right? Second page, double quote start, and at the end double quotes close, and click on save. Now this is which one page? This is second page, and what's the title here? My first page. Instead of first, write here my second page, and also change the background color. Background color is sky blue color. Let me write here light yellow color. And welcome to page. Message, change the message to 2. Right? Now click on file and save the changes. These changes saved. Right? Once more. File. Save as. This is double quotes start, double quotes at the start and double quotes at the end. Instead of second, I'm writing here third page. The page name is third.html. Third page.html, and the title is my second page. No, right here my third page. Instead of light yellow color, I'm mentioning something else. Light green color, align center. That's fine. And welcome to page 3. And file, save these changes which I have done right now. Right? Once more, last page. File, save as. This is double quote start and double quotes at the end. And in between, change the 4 to 40h. Fourth page.html. Right? Save. File name is fourth page.html. And here written my third page. Change this to my fourth page, and change background color as well. Come on, tell me some light color. And welcome to page 4. Now save these changes. File, save. Okay, minimize. I'm having 4 pages here. The output for the first one you have watched here. For the next one, check out the next one as well. Double click. This is the second page. This is the third page. And the last one I'm having 4th page. First, second, third, and fourth. Any problem up to here? Anyone? Any problem? Please go. Simple. HTML text started, HTML text close. Title text start, title text close. Right? Then body start and body close. In the body, I use the attribute BG color. Different colors I've used. Right? And inside the body start and close, what I've used? Heading 1. Why heading 1? Just to display the text in large size. So, and I've saved the pages by different name. First page.html, second page.html, third page.html, and fourth page.html. Okay. Now I'm going to create this main page, right? So for creation of main page, run notepad. Same structure you have to follow. First of all, HTML tag started close HTML. Title tag started close title tag. Here I'm writing welcome to from S website, sort of website. Body tag started and close body tag. In between body, in the body I'm writing an attribute bg color is equal to wheat color. File save. Double quotes start, double quotes close. Right here main.html. Right? Minimize. Let us check output for this one as well. Main.html. Up to here clear? Okay. Now here inside the body of this main.html I am writing h1 align is equal to center and one message here as well. Or instead of heading 1 I will use here font color is equal to blue color, face is equal to word enough, size is equal to the maximum size I am using 7, close font, main page. File save, refresh. I want this main page to be in the center. So what I have to do? Before this font, write here a tag by the name of center and sphere tag. File save and output, refresh. Right? Okay. Now for linking, what you have to do? So I will make outside the center, I will make use of anchor tag. So I am writing here a anchor. Link me to which one page? href hyperreference is equal to. What's the name of page? First page.html. The file name must be correct. If the file name is wrong, it will not work. Right? So I am writing here a means link me. href hyperreference mean to say link me with visual file. Double quotes start, double quotes close. In between double quotes start and double quotes close I am writing here first page.html and outside the double quote the greater than sign. Okay, and at the end close anchor tag. Now this is the start of anchor tag, right? And this is the close of anchor tag. Now in between these two, closing and start, you have to write something. I am writing here page 1. Now file save. Once more, watch carefully. On this page 1 it will apply a link. Mean to say whenever you are clicking on page 1, it will link you with which one page? First page.html. File, save the changes and check its output now. Watch here. What's the final link here? First page. Why? Because my cursor is here on this link, so it's showing me that file C user, this is the part, the stop class is morning term S18/4/2012. First page.html. Whenever someone is going to click on this link, open this file. First page.html. Right? Have a look. Click on this and check it out. Now what about the second? For the second one as well, the same code you have to write. I want to go to next line br, and now ahref is equal to, what's the name of the second file? Second page.html. I'm writing here 2nd page.html, and I'm writing here page 2 close a br. Again for the next one, ahref is equal to 3rd page.html. Check out the file name 3rd page. Yeah, it's like this. Right here, page 3 close a. Once more br here, and the last one href is equal to 4th page.html. Page 4 close page. 4 links are there and 4 links are applied here. Link me to first page.html when someone clicks on page 1. Link me to second page.html when someone clicks on page 2, right? Link me to third page.html when someone is going to click on page 3. Link me to fourth page.html when someone is going to click on page 4. Save the changes and use the output. Refresh. Page 1 back, page 2 of course back, page 3, page 4. Up to here clear? Yes. So here is a small problem. Here is a small problem. Watch carefully and I am asking that. All these are links. Agree with this?
Yeah.
I click on link, third link, page 3. Where I am right now? Where are the links right now? Where are the links?
Main page.
Links are on page. Links are. I applied links on main page. I applied links on main page, right? But I need the links here. I need the links here. Not only here. I need links on each and every page. For example, right now I want to go to page 2. So what I have to do? First of all, I have to click this back. I have to click on this back, right? And after that, I will click on page 2. No, I don't want to do like this. I want these links. I want these links to be forever in front of me, either on the top, either on the left. And anytime, if I'm clicking on page 1, I want that page 1 to be displayed here in this one section here. Clicking on page 2, I want the page 2 to be here, and links must be here. On page 3, displayed here. Page 4, displayed here. Getting my point? All of you?
Yeah.
Which is I'm clicking on page 4. Okay, that's fine, working. Right now I'm on page 4, but what about the links? Links are hidden right now. Why? Because the links are on main.html and this is fourth page.html. So in order to solve this issue, what I have to do? in the main page, after the last link, I'm using br 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 10 times. It's up to you, right? And here I'm writing. What is this? Iframe. I stands for internal frame. And the width of this iframe I need it to be, for example, 70%. And height for this iframe, 40%. Or take it 50%. And close iframe. File, save, and output. Here is the iframe. I want to open these pages inside this iframe. Right? Okay. So what I've done, after the links, I use br1, wanna go to next line, that's why I use br 2 times, right? Iframe, width is equal to 70%, height is equal to 50%, and close iframe. Okay. So here is the iframe, refresh, click on page 1. As usual, no changes there. Only on the main page is displaying the iframe. Again page 2, again it's going to second page. Page 3, third page, page 4, fourth. The idea which I am using is not working right now. Mean to say I want to open this one page here in this chokart, right? Now, in the iframe again I am using one more attribute space. Name is equal to, for this iframe I am giving a name if. I for internal and F for frame. You can write any name here. It's not necessary that you are writing if here, right? I'm writing here IQTIDAR. You can write your name as well here, right? Any name. Control S. Now check it out. Refresh, working or not? Again not working. Again it's going outside. Okay, once more. What's the meaning of A? Link me. href means to a page, yeah, hyperreference. To which one page? First page.html. When someone is going to click on page 1. When someone is going to click on page 1. Okay, here, space. What I've written? Target is equal to, what's the name of my iframe? If. Right here, if. Now what's the meaning of this? This full line. Link me to first page.html, but open it where? Inside the if. And what is if? If is the name of this iframe. When someone is going to click on page 1. Once more, link me to first page.html, but open it here in the target, and target is if. And what is if? If is the name of iframe here. When someone is clicking on page 1, right? Control S, output, refresh, check it out. Is this clear? Page 2, not working. Why? Why not working? I haven't mentioned target for page 2. I haven't mentioned target for page 2. So here in the link, right here, target is equal to if, right? Is equal to if, right? And for the here, target is equal to if, and for this one as well, target is equal to if. File, save, output, refresh. Sorry, here the main page, refresh it. Page 1, page 2, page 3 and page 4. Server. Yes, of course, Bishak. Here is a small problem. One more small problem. Open main.html. Main.html open. No. Yes. White color. Why is displaying white color? Okay, I will apply some color, no problem. But this area a sort of bad impression. So if I apply the same color to the iframe here exactly like this, that will be much better. So how? Okay, one thing more. Run notepad. HTML text started. Right now I don't need title, so I'm not mentioning the title. Body text started and close body. Right? Okay, mention title, no problem. Title text started and close title text. Page for iframe. What is the color of the main page? Wheat color. File, save. File, save, and save it inside the same folder. Here I am saving this by the name of double quote start, double quote close, and I am writing it bg.html. bg.html, right? What's the name of this one page? bg.html. Okay, now close this one page. No need of this page. In the main.html, in the iframe, I am writing here one more attribute. src is equal to double quote start, double quote close, and here I am writing bg.html. Now check it out. Now this border having a little bad impression. So right here, border is equal to no dash border. Frame border or something like that. Right? बेशक का खुदा ही हो रही no show during recording time. Watch out, it's recording all these things. Right. Up to here, clear? Okay, so I'm giving you instruction how to write this, right? And after that you will see what to do ahead.